counties.
First ever flood warning, let's go.
Harris and Liberty. When, until noon Central Daylight Time, impacts flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying.
This is my first ever flood warning.
Expect many areas of slow-moving or standing water. It will take several hours for all the water from these storms to work through local drainage systems in urban areas. Additional details.
I'll show you the backyard of the E11 place.
Daylight time. Doppler radar shows between 2.5 and 5 inches of rain have fallen. The public reported flooding in the warned area with water in homes in Crosby. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Pasadena, Eastern Carolina, Northern League City, Baytown, Northern Friendswood, Lockport, Deer Park, South Houston, Seagull,
Oh my God.
Galena Park, Jacinto City,
Let me move this chair out of here.
Kenna, Highlands, Channelview, Barrett, Cloverleaf, Clear Lake, South Mount Ellington, and Greater Tommy County.
I wonder if we'll get WEA for this.
Don't drive on any suffering with flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. The coastal waters forecast for the following
Gosh,
waters
dang.
from High Island to Freeport, Texas, extending from 20 to 60 nautical miles.
Alright, let's go take a look outside. Here's my kitty, which y'all don't really care about. So here's how much rain fell in that pot, which most of it isn't flooding my backyard, as you can see. But if we take a look outside, I think we can see some flooding. Nah, maybe not flooding, but like, I don't know.
Wave detail, South Fork.
Wow, that is just crazy.